Top 100 Unsolved Mysteries of the Universe, Episode 2, The Big Bang Singularity Problem. Rewind cosmic history far enough and mainstream equations squeeze the early universe into a beginning where density, temperature, and curvature all diverge. The evidence for a hot early universe is real. The CMB and light element abundances both point to a genuinely hot, dense phase, but a hot early phase does not automatically prove a real singularity. That is where the difficulty sits. General relativity works brilliantly until it is pushed into the most extreme regime, where its own rulers, clocks, and geometry start to fail, while quantum gravity still lacks a universally accepted finished framework. As a result, three different claims are often collapsed into one: the universe had a hot early phase. The equations blow up when extrapolated backward, therefore there must have been an absolute beginning. F rejects that logical shortcut. It keeps the hot early universe, but rewrites the singularity as a warning light that the old geometric language has broken down. Much like a thermometer going off scale tells you the instrument has hit its limit rather than proving reality itself is infinite. The same logic appears in F's treatment of black holes, where the extreme region is not reduced to a magical point but rewritten as a layered machine. Applied to cosmic origins, the real task is no longer to explain why an infinitesimal point exploded, but to explain how an extreme upstream condition exited and handed over an early energy sea. F's candidate chain is pore evaporation, outer critical failure, overflow into a sea, and broken chain boundary formation. In that picture, the universe looks less like a point blast and more like a cosmic pressure cooker that spent ages leaking before its high-tension interior spilled outward. That is why the early universe was hot, why it was nearly uniform, and why it still kept the small wrinkles needed for later structure. The CMB and BBN then become records of that early work site, not signatures certifying one literal singular origin. The key guardrail is simple: evidence for a hot early phase does not mean a singularity must be physically real. And mathematical divergence does not mean the universe had to begin as an absolute infinitesimal point. F does not overthrow the observations. It rewrites the habit of reading hot early history, mathematical blow-up, and unique absolute origin as one and the same thing. Tap the playlist for more. Next episode, Quantum Cosmology and the Universe's Initial Wave Function. Follow and share our new Physics Explainer series will help you see the whole universe more clearly.